Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best carbon frame in this video? I will show you the top 3 best carbon frame to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected ELV's FALATH Pro. Specifications: brand name, ELV's. Surface processing mode, gloss. Is _customized, yes. Model number, FALATH Pro Disc. Use, road bicycles. Foldable, no. Material, carbon. Origin, mainland China. The item number 2 is Secati MTV Carbon Frame. Specifications: brand name, Secati. Model number, DCMF04. Use, mountain bikes. Weight, 1180 g. Foldable, no. Material, carbon. Origin, mainland China. Seat post fit, 27.2 mm. Warranty, 2 years. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Carbon Gravel Bike Frame. Specifications: brand name, BXT. Use, road bicycles. Weight, 1,300 grams. Material, carbon. Fit for seat clamp, 31.8 mm. Fit for seat post, 27.2 mm. Max load, 250 kilograms.